Hello everybody, how we all doing today? So, in this video, we're going to talk about signs and what they mean. So there's a bunch of groups of people that use, certain signs, and I'm going to sit here and tell you what they mean. So this sign right here, right? Usually it's kind of, doing this thing. Sometimes it's used just by its own. So let's see. This, those are all symbology of the Eye of Horus. And this one, I feel like could also be used for third eye symbolism, things of that nature. This one, devil horns. What else? People wearing animal print, right? You'll see that a lot. That's a symbology for hypersexuality, right? This one right here, we'll see people use this a lot. One finger over the mouth. That stands, that stands for secrecy, right? This is right here. This is called the rock sign, but it's actually a mudra, right? And then there's tongue out, which is like that. That's also hypersexuality. And then there is the use of red, black, and white. So the color red, when certain people use it, that stands for blood or blood sacrifice. Black, the color black represents power. And then white represents purity. And, these certain people begin with an I, end with an I, begin with an F, end with an S. Begin with an E, end with an N. Satanists, basically. Just Satanists. Those are what they use to kind of symbolize, hey, here's us, we're showing you the thing. Because this is the whole thing when it comes to this whole spiritual war that we're dealing with, is, what was it? In terms of the spiritual war that we're all going through, the enemy has to show people what they are all about, right? I don't know if anybody remembers this, but in the early 2010s, there was a meme called Illuminati Confirmed, right? And I don't know if you guys have also noticed this, but there's a trend, right? The public will begin to know about a certain type of information, and then that information gets turned into a joke to make it seem like it's not real, when in actuality, it is real. Now, when we're talking about conspiracy theories, right? When we're talking about conspiracy theories, the earth is round, okay? And, we call these different groups, we call them Illuminati, we call them Freemasons, we call them Satanists, Elders of Zion, anything like that. Basically, they're all just devil worshippers. That's all it is. It's just devil worship with different names attached to it. And those signs that I showed you in the beginning, like I said, they all show, hey, I'm with this group of people. I'm with the bad guys. And that's what that basically all means, And yeah, thanks guys. Have a good one.